Hello friends, welcome to Tire Civil Testing YouTube channel. Special thanks to Usami Engineering Office, Saudi Arabia. Today our topic is ASTM C191 Test Method for Time of Setting of Hydraulic Cement by Vikat Needle. Setting time of cement. When cement is mixed with water, it hydrates and makes cement paste. This paste can be molded into any desired shape due to its plasticity. Within this time, cement continues with reacting water and slowly cement starts losing its plasticity and set harder. This complete cycle is called setting time of cement. Now, initial setting time of cement. The time to which cement can be molded in any desired shape without losing its strength is called initial setting time of cement, or the time at which cement starts harden and completely loses its plasticity is called initial setting time of cement. Or we can define also the time available for mixing the cement and placing it in position is an initial setting of cement. If delayed, further cement loses its strength. For ordinary Portland cement, the initial setting time is 30 minutes. Now, what is final setting time of cement? The time at which cement completely loses its plasticity and become hard is a final time of cement. Or we can define the time taken by cement to gain its entire strength is a final setting of time. For ordinary Portland cement, the final setting time is 600 minutes or 10 hours. Now, what is the significance of calculating initial and final setting time of cement? Well, after mixing cement with water, it takes time to place the cement paste in position. Initial setting time possesses a primarily role in strength, and it is mandated that cement paste or concrete is placed in position before it crosses initial setting time. Example 30 minutes, and it should not be distributed until it completes final setting time. 600 minutes for ordinary Portland cement. What is the factor that affecting initial and final setting time of cement? The fineness of cement, the presence of salt and sand, atmospheric conditions. For example, cement requires a temperature of 27 degrees centigrade to complete hydration. During winters, the climate is low, which stops the hydration and takes a longer time to set harden. So for this test, what apparatus we need? We need a weighing balance of 1000 gram with accuracy of 1 gram and measuring cylinder of 200 milliliter. Vikat apparatus, Vikat mold, glass plate, the plunger of 10 dia and hand trowel and stopwatch. This is the typical Vikat apparatus with detail. So you can see needle, mold. Mold is for the cement paste is filled. Plunger or needle. Needle is fixed here. Glass plate. Mold is placed on glass plate. So what is procedure? Take 400 gram of cement and place it in a bowl or tray. Now add water of start the stopwatch at the moment water is added to the cement. Water of quantity 0.85 p times, where p is standard consistency of cement is considered. Now fill the mix in Vikat mold. If any excessive paste remained on the Vikat mold is taken off by using a trowel. Then place the Vikat mold on non-porous plate or glass plate. See that the plunger should touch the surface of Vikat mold gently. Release the plunger and allow it to sink into the test mold. Note down the penetration of plunger from the bottom of mold indicated on the scale. Repeat the same experiment at different positions on the mold until the plunger should stop penetrating 5 mm from the bottom of the mold. The time period elapsed between the moment water is added to the cement and the time the needle fails to penetrate the mold of 5 mm when measured from the bottom of the mold is the initial setting time of cement. This is the needle used for finding initial setting time of cement, needle with annular attachment used in final setting time of cement. Now replace the needle by the one with an annular attachment. The cement is assumed as finally set when upon applying the needle gently to the surface of the test mold. The needle makes an impression therein. While the attachment fails to do so, the time period between the moment water is added to the cement and time at which the needle makes an impression on the surface of the mold, while the attachment fails to do so, is the final setting time of cement. So now we start our practical part. You will see in our practical part how we can do the calculate the setting time of cement.
So, what is the equipment you need for this? Only the Vikat needle?
Yeah, Vikat apparatus.
Show me the Vikat needle.
So this is the Vikat apparatus. So the needle all are inside. So this is Vikat needle for initial setting time.
Okay.
And this is for final setting time.
Why they are not the same?
Actually the initial setting time is penetration,
Yeah.
but the final setting time is on the surface.
Oh, okay. Okay.
That's why both are
Every
different.
how long you change the needle?
Actually, while testing the needle is okay, we do not want to change. But if any bending or something happen, we need to change the needles.
So it's just a physical check.
Yeah, physical check.
Okay. Show me now. Try to pretend there is a sample or something. Like,
Yeah.
Go ahead. Show me
Yeah.
how things go.
You perform all you have.
So this sample is like you get it from the customer.
Yes.
Yeah, sir.
This is how the customer send it to you.
No, this is we take it for the audit purpose.
No, I mean you bring you take the sample from the customer, or he send it to you, or how things go.
No, they send it to us, sir. We are not taking samples.
How much sample you take?
650 gram sample we taken.
And how much water?
30% of water we added.
Yeah, you have measured.
At the same time, we have start the timer when we added the water.
Now you start the timer since you start mixing.
Yeah,
Okay.
the mold here. Now, sir, this is ready for the testing, but we will keep this one for 30 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. Then we will do the initial needle penetration. Okay. Every 15 minutes we have to check the penetration. When the needle moves more than 25 mm, we have to continue the test until we get 25 mm or less penetration.
No, I didn't understand this. You repeat it, please.
Okay, sir, we will do the penetration test using needle every 15 minutes, and we will note the penetration, how much penetration is gone, needle penetrate like in mm.
Actually, this is after 30 minutes.
After 30 minutes.
Sir, now we prepare the sample. Okay, sir. Actual test will start after 30 minutes after making the mold. So we'll do the now next step, or we have to wait 30 minutes.
Yeah, so the first penetration after 13 minutes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And you are going to register that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like
So
if there is 3 centimeters, something like that, okay?
actually, in the first where the penetration will be more. The penetration will be high.
Yeah, the first 13 minutes penetration is too high.
Yeah. So we will
And then
we will
it
measure
go
the
down slowly.
reading until we get the penetration 25 mm or less.
25 millimeter?
Yeah,
How much?
25 mm or less. This is
Okay.
the time as initial setting time.
Okay, so we wait for that for 13 minutes to see. I would like to see the whole experiment actually. Now, for how many times you are going to do the penetration? 2, 3 times, 4 times?
No, until we get 25 mm or less.
Yeah, expect, like, tell me just, like, it will show after 3 penetration?
It will every 15 minutes we will take reading. Normally in 2 hours we will get the initial setting time. Normally.
Okay. At that time, what you will do?
That time we will note the penetration time.
That will be registered
Yeah.
as penetration time.
Yeah. We will register.
Okay.
We'll show you the worksheet, sir, to understand.
Okay, show me the record. How you put the record? How you register the record?
Sir, we required penetration less than 25 mm. 25 mm or less than 25 mm. So we will wait for that time. This is our first measurement. Time in minutes of last penetration greater than 25 mm. Then we will take time in minutes of last penetration less than 25 mm.
Okay.
Suppose our last penetration greater than 125 mm may be 120 minutes. Less than 25 mm may be 135 minutes. It will be like that. Okay. Then we will take the penetration reading at time E. That means greater than 25, maybe 28. Another reading penetration at reading at time H. H means less than 25, maybe 23. Like
Okay.
that. Then there will be calculation for initial setting time of semen. This is the calculation, sir.
Formula.
Okay.
H minus E divided by C minus D multiplied by C minus 25 plus E.
Okay.
Then we will get the initial time of setting.
Okay.
Then final setting time will be more. It will take more time, around 6 hours, we can say. 5 to 6 hours.
Wow. So the method can extend to 6 hours.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
As per ASTM, their requirement is final setting time should be less than 375 minutes.
Okay.
And initial setting time will be greater than 45 minutes.
Okay.
So this test will be extended up to 5 to 6 hours, like that.
calibration for your equipment?
We make verification, sir, like mold diameter, mold height.
No, for the equipment calibration.
It is,
You only have the needle, right?
Yeah,
you don't
needle.
have that equipment. You only have a needle, right?
Yeah, sir.
So you make any kind of calibration for that, or no need for it?
They're saying only needle length is more than 50 mm.
Okay.
Our needle length is 70 mm, sir.
Okay. So I will write for the equipment just to check the needle.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
The standard request to check the needle length, right?
Length.
Just the stand I wrote for that the equipment is not really applicable. The standard request to check the needle length only. Is that okay?
Yes.
Mold also.
Mold also, sir. Mold height.
No, I'm talking about equipment. The
Equipment.
mold height
Yeah, mold height.
needed. And mold height. Okay, what about for traceability?
Worksheet. Sorry, sir.
What about the traceability?
Yeah, for the traceability, sir, we are same our procedure that is the sir, request form. First we get the request form, then we have the worksheet, and then final report, sir.
Just a second. Just a second. I think something wrong.
Okay, so
So we fix the needle, sir. Initial setting needle. This is on the surface of our mold sample.
Okay.
Okay, this is the measurement. We start from 40. 40 we considered as 0. and measurement here, sir. So we just unscrew here, the needle will penetrate, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
So the penetration is high, sir, completely penetrated. So
Completely penetrate.
yeah, so I will,
Okay.
then we will wait again for the 15 minutes until we get the penetration up to the 25 mark mm. 25 mm.
In the same hole, or you will move the hole?
No, I will move the all. Just need to move. This is 5 mm away from the hole, or more, 5 mm or more away from the this hole.
Okay. Got it, yes.
We fix it on the surface. Tighten.
So we have to wait 15 minutes again.
We have to wait another 15 minutes and do the penetration again, and we have to do this one until we get the penetration less 25 or less.
25 minutes.